comes. All trees have what they call a taproot, and a taproot is the single most important root of any tree, where it comes down into the ground and forms like a stake in the ground to secure it. Because we have rock here, the tree itself doesn't have a taproot as such. It is spread out right the way along the rock face, right on the edge of a drop. So we are very, very concerned about safety, and that it's obviously leaning as well. There's buildings on one side and our house will be in the front of it as well. So today it is coming down to be replaced with an oak. Timber! Jesus Christ! Absolutely incredible how it came down and literally shattered on the ground. Alan, why is it it looks very soft. What does that mean exactly?
Well, it's just the nature of the timber on it, that's all it is.
Wow.
The tree of heaven's always soft anyway.
Yeah.
It's weird sort of wood in them, but yeah, they're soft timber and they just break for a pastime anyway.
Yeah, so thank goodness we took this one down. But this is incredible, guys, so thank you again.
That's all right.
And we'll watch again in a moment when we start chopping it up.
Good.